Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NAKD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action standpoint, but you look down here at the volume and just gigantic volume, well above average. And believe it or not, when I did this video yesterday on Tuesday, these lines down here actually still pertain to the chart. But today's movement was so big that these lines actually look kind of goofy all the way down there. So first things first, I'm going to do some house cleaning, just get rid of those lines. Again, yeah, they still pertain. They're just not relevant to the chart anymore. So let's get some things updated here, because from the presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So like I said, let's try to keep this as clean as possible. But one of the newest areas of support to keep an eye on, what I would call the ideal level, is down there at 12 cents. And you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? And that would be if the price could stay up there above 12 cents. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below that level, that does not mean the entire chart's epically destroyed or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that area, that would certainly be a great sign of power moving forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher, which is very beneficial, because when it comes to just gauging the health of the overall move, that right there being defined as the overall move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you best visualize that, that is what has been represented. Again, sure, staying up above 12 cents would be fantastic, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, nothing fancy or complicated here, just a question of, well, where did the parting momentum stop today? And that was right up there at the 16-cent mark, so keep an eye on that. But all in all, any angle you look at it, monster volume today, fantastic price movement, not just a question of can the price build upon this momentum moving forward. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.